Welcome back to oneT's garage. I'm Elliot, and this is my 2012 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. And it's got the 4-cylinder turbo 2.0 turbo engine, and I'm about to put a cold air intake. Somebody already put this crappy one on there, but it sucks, so I'm gonna replace it with a K&N filter. I've got some new car parts for my car, and it's a K&N air filter. So I'm gonna put this on my Hyundai Genesis Coupe and see if it adds any horsepower. I will be installing this. Let's see what's in the box. Instruction book, insulation, hardware, all packing stuff. Okay. Pipes. And the air cleaner itself. And the metal box. So, got all that stuff. Now I have to figure out how to install it. So I guess I have to read instructions. Wish me luck. The first thing you want to do is take off all this stuff. This is not the stock air box, but if it was, there'd be a big square box here you have to take apart. So I'm going to take all this out and get ready for the install. So as you can see, I've got the K&N air filter installed now. Got the little box. There's a mounting bracket over here. You can put one over here too. There's a couple of hoses you have to hook up to the box, the line, and it's pretty easy to do. I did it about 15 minutes. All you need is a 5/8 nut driver, some pliers, or a flathead screwdriver, maybe an Allen wrench set, and you can throw this thing on in about 15 minutes. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. So if you're thinking about doing it, go ahead, order it from Amazon or anywhere else and get it done. All right, good luck, fellas. Bye.